Hello everyone, so welcome to this lesson on Adobe Aero. So in this lesson we want to animate our GIF. Okay, so this is our GIF, and in our previous lesson we learned where to get or download GIF files. Okay, from Giffer, Gifer, I think .com also. So to animate a GIF, okay, so GIFs are just images. Okay, GIFs are a series of images. So we want to animate this mitochondria. Okay, this one. Okay. So to do that, let's see what we need to do. Okay, so we are going to use the trigger events here. So we can use that on tab. So when the user taps, it will animate. But in our case, we want when the video icon is clicked. Okay. So when this is clicked, so let's trigger when tap. We want it to animate. So what do you want to do? Let's click on this, which is our animal cell GIF. To action, let's go to, so instead of play animations, let's use play images, which is why I explained earlier that GIFs are a series of images. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to make it infinite. Then let's play it and see. You can see it's playing. Okay, so let's preview it on a large scale. But first of all, let me save my project. I'm going to go for export, select this and then save. Okay, so once it's saved, let's go to preview. Let's repeat our process again. Okay, so now let's click on our video, and then you can see it's playing. Okay, so remember we made a mistake. Okay, so our video was linked to is linked. Okay, so instead let's change it from video to when everything launches. Okay, so when this is clicked, so let's change to um, me2 group, me2 group. Okay. So let's go here, click on this. Okay, so you can see it didn't play. Okay, let's see what happened. When me2 group, this is me2 group. Okay, I don't see why it didn't play, but let's try that again. Okay, if it's not playing, let's try on click event. So when itself is clicked, okay, so animal cell GIF. So when the animal cell GIF itself is clicked, let's hope that one works. Okay, so I don't see why it's not working. It should work. It's not working. Okay, let's try troubleshooting it. So now let's see when this animal cell GIF is clicked. Okay, go to play, then let's see. Let's try 30. Okay, so 30 is going to make it move faster. So let's go to preview and then let's hope it works. Okay, so on top, okay, so I changed to 30, so now you can see the GIF is moving. It's working. Okay, so this, the speed, we changed the speed to 30. Yeah, and then basically that's it for our projects, our AR projects. You can also decide to show everything on your screen by getting an icon. Okay, so let's say you can create an icon or import an icon. Let's say this icon or any of the icons, and when the user clicks on it, you just click use the visibility, that's the show and hide events or triggers to hide everything or show everything, or hide some or show some. So basically, that's it for this particular lesson. Thank you.